Almost 20 years have passed since the biggest and fastest race boats in the world invaded the space coast of Florida. This year, John Carbonell and Superboat International brought them back to Cocoa Beach to set the water on fire. So if you're ready, it's time for Thunder on the Beach.
Plus on the beach.
That's what towboat doing stuff. I hope they belong.
Got him?
Yep.
What the hell happened there?
Oh.
That's dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good. We, thanks to the safety guys, SBR, great. They were on this in about, less than 2 minutes, I believe, and they at least got a little tangled up down there. We learned something every race, and we learned about some loose wires and stuff. But those guys are fantastic. They got us out of the boat, and we're here for another one.
It's great to see you back. Now your boat, Popeye's 36-foot skater cat, you have repaired the boat, but it's not quite dialed in, so you've actually leased this boat. What's going on with that?
Well, actually, I didn't lease it. George and Mike were nice enough to just give it to me for the race, and for the points we needed it. We got the boat together. We just weren't quite ready, and it wouldn't have been a safe thing to do. So George called up and nicely volunteered Wile E. Coyote and his boat to come over here and take us for a little ride.
You and Mike, seasoned veterans, so I look for some great things aboard this Lucas Oil skater.
Me too. I'm really excited about running with Michael. We've been running next to each other for a long time, and we'll be in a boat together this time. It'll be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it.
Team instigator Joe Scrow, Peter Meyer, coming off a checkered flag at the last race in Michigan City, Indiana. I know you want to do the same thing here at the Space Coast Thunder on the Beach.
Oh, yeah, the weather here is pretty good. The water should be nice. It should be favorable for this boat. I think we'll do well. I mean, the boat always stays together. It always finishes, and as you know, you got to finish first. You got to finish.
Pete, you guys are running the Super V Unlimited, also Production 1. You're going to be trying for 2 checkered flags today. Can you do it?
Well, we're working hard today. We have good competition. We have 2 or 3 other fountains that we're running against. It's going to be good. It's going to be a fast race. It looks like it's going to be calm water. We're looking for a good day.
In Production 1, Team Fountain Talladega. Now you've got 3 very, very fast fountains, pretty much evenly matched, racing for the honors in P1, so it's anybody's race.
Absolutely. Peter's got the biggest motors, but he's got the best chance of breaking down. We got a little more experience than the other fountains, so it's always a close race. So we're looking forward to close all around, Stan.
And this boat very, very distinctive because of the V10 Viper Ilmore power and these surface-piercing drives. Tell us about the setup.
Yes, they're 505 cubic inch modified Viper motors, putting out about 700 horsepower each, and then Artisan drives with 18.5-inch props, 42 pitch setup, put us a little over 110.
I've got your winners not only in Super V Unlimited, but also in Production 1. They got 2 checkered flags. That's got to make you very proud, Joe.
Stan, it was a great day. The water was very favorable for this boat as we anticipated, and I think that there was nobody touching us today. It was our day.
Just like he said, I've never seen this boat hooked up the way it was today. You guys had to be hitting at least 120 out there.
Without a doubt, we were. It was like flying a space shuttle. I mean, the people here are actually very nice. I mean, the whole Cape Canaveral, Cocoa Beach area, it was a lot of spectators out. The boat ran perfectly. The weather was great. You couldn't ask for a better venue or anything. It was a great day today, Stan.
Great fans here. And now our next stop is your backyard, New York, on the Hudson River. I know you guys want to perform there the way you performed here.
Yeah, I think we want to keep this going. We got 2 races in a row today. We got one from 2 weeks ago, and I think New York we should do real well in New York.
There you go. Thank you, guys.
Thanks. Guys.
Big smile, guys. Smile. Number 1.
Come on, Mr. Joe. Look at me, Joe.
Great picture. Production 5 Team Velocity. Guys, you had to make your local sponsors very, very happy today here in Cocoa Beach.
Yes, I believe we did. We really want to thank Beef O'Brady's and Durango Steakhouse and Beach Wave t-shirts and souvenirs, because without their support, they made it a lot easier for us to be here.
Young Steven, you're headed off to college. What a way to go with the checkered flag, show all your dorm friends.
Yeah, exactly. It really was a great weekend. I mean, the city was really behind this event and had a great crowd, and hope we put on a good show for the fans.
You certainly did. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Period. Look at this beautiful cruise liner headed out on a 7-day excursion, Freedom of the Seas, right here in Port Canaveral at the Space Coast Grand Prix. Boat 750 with the checkered flag. You guys looking good. You're on the warpath today in war paint.
Yeah, it was a good day. We, Billy didn't show up to the race for whatever reason, but it was fun. We played with Popeyes and Lucas there, and we had a good time today.
Also played with that real fast Super V Instigator for a while there. It was like 3 side by side. Good racing, Bob.
It was excellent racing in the beginning. We've had some problems all weekend, but it was still great to get out there with those guys.
Looking good out there in Apache. Go celebrate.
Thank you.
The Space Coast Grand Prix is in the books. We had some great racing, record crowds here. The weather held off for us, and now it's time to pack it all up and head to New York, the Big Apple, the 20th anniversary of the Hudson River Grand Prix. After that, Morehead City is next, and then Clearwater Beach, Florida for the National Championships, and then finally the 30th Annual World Championships in Key West, Florida.